Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl to Jessica. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. So guys, today, as you can see by the title on this video, guys, you already know what we're going to be doing. So let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, you're welcome back once again. So today guys, I'm gonna be reviewing affordable body mist slash body splash for you guys today. And guys, I've got these products for a while. I just decided to review them for you guys and for my affordable girlies that want affordable body mist. I'm here for you. And guys, you know, whenever we're reviewing perfumes, body mist on this channel, we have a slogan which is everybody must scent, and it's a sentence in pidgin language, pidgin English, and everybody wants to scent. Operation no bad odor, we're taking care of ourselves, maintaining the fresh air God has given to us. We cannot add body odor to the economy of Nigeria and the world as a whole. So guys, stay back and just listen and be blessed. So guys, the first product I'm going to be reviewing for you guys is called the Victoria Fleur, and this is it. And the name of this one is The Endless Days in the Summer. So guys, I'm so sorry guys, I'm looking away. I'm just trying to read the products. So guys, this is it. And guys, the prices of these products are going to be in the description box, okay, in case maybe you want to get them or you need them for yourself. Okay, so on to the next one, guys. So the next one is called the Elegance by Sada Pack, and this is a Freesia and Red Plum body splash. So this is it. Comes like this. Yeah, so this is for this one. On to the next one, guys. So the next one is also from the first brand, which is the Victoria Fleur, and this is the Pure Seduction Spray. And it's written here, it says Pure Seduction Spray from first bloom to full bloom. So this is like a floral body mist. So if you like a floral scent, you should go for this one, and it has body shimmers on it as well. So guys, on to the next one. So guys, the next one is kind of like a combo of a body fragrance lotion and also a body mist. Okay, they are two in one. They come in a pack. So it comes in this pack. I've already unboxed. It comes in this pack. So this is the back. Okay, and this is called the Love and Seduce, and it's produced by a company called Scenabella in Los Angeles, CA, USA, and body mist and body lotion in one combo. So I'm just going to be showing you guys both. So guys, this is the body lotion, and also this is the body mist. So like it comes in a pack like this. So guys, that's that for that, and the price is going to be in the description box as well. So guys, that's it for this video. Please do to subscribe, share my videos, comment if you're going to be trying out this product, if you try this product out before for yourself. And guys, one thing I love about this product is that sorry, am I ending this video? One thing I love about this product is that you can be able to, like, buy it for yourself, gift it out to your loved ones, your friends, and it's also very handy and compact. You can be able to have two products in your bag. Maybe if you're traveling, you're just kind of like in between. So guys, that's it for this video. Bye, take care. My name is Jessica. Once again, please subscribe to my channel. Bye, enjoy.